Hey guys, I am just putting some finishing touches on the low poly dyno Kickstarter before I hit go on it tomorrow. I'm super excited for this, but I also get super jittery just before something big like this happens, so this will be a good time. And I hope that you have enjoyed the videos that I've been putting out in preparation for this week. I've been producing videos about educational videos about how to do 3D printing better so that you can use that to print a really cool marble machine from Gualala Gadgets, which I really enjoy. I've also talked about my first time experience with the Maker Spool, and it wasn't perfect, but maybe that's just growing pains as well. I talked about a 3D print that I made for the kitchen, and I used little low poly dyno eggs, which will be a part of the Kickstarter when that comes out. I've also shown you some really cool things that I got at Shapeways, including some models that I created and some models that I got from their storefront, which you can check out, and all of those are there. I also showed you a really cool curtain rod, a custom curtain rod that I made for my house, which I could probably make for this room a little bit to black out the backlight that I've got going on here, but that's what the Kickstarter is for, to improve the quality of my videos with simple things like that I just haven't had the capital to do. And I also even got a hardware review for the micro 3D printer from M3D. I really do think that this has some positives, but honestly, there are other printers that I would recommend over it. And I hope that you've enjoyed those videos. And I hope that I can count on your support for the low poly dyno Kickstarter that launches tomorrow. Even if you can only support $1, even if you can only spread the word about it, all of your support is really appreciated. And I thank you guys very much for that. I've still got a little bit to do on the Kickstarter to get it just perfect and ready to go, so I'm going to jump on that, and until then I'm going to say thank you guys very much for your support. And as always, my Kickstarter backers, you guys are the wind beneath my wings and are more necessary than ever. But I want to say thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching this entire week, and I'll see you on Kickstarter tomorrow.